You guys, it's time to go beast mode and become unstoppable. If you have goals and you just feel like you're never gonna reach them, you feel like I have these huge goals, but they're just goals. It's not something that I feel like I might actually reach one day, or you just feel like you're not putting enough work in. Yeah, everybody gets like that, and everybody needs a talk like this to sit down and understand that your goals are not just gonna happen. You can make a vision board all you want, but your goals are not gonna actually just come true. Like, you actually have to work for them, and you actually have to work hard, especially depending on your goal. Like, what is your goal? Are you like trying to be a successful business owner? Girl, you have to put in work. I see this one business owner, y'all. She be putting in work. I'm talking about reels every single day, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, Pinterest, bro. Like, Pinterest, nobody posts on there. And that's why, like, I'm trying to get into Pinterest. I'm trying to get into Threads, y'all. I'm posting on Threads now. I'm posting on, you're not gonna catch me not posting. I'm posting on TikTok now, y'all. I'm posting anywhere I can post that I feel like is gonna actually help my business or just grow my platforms, like my YouTube and just everything, y'all. Like, it's time to really sit down and do what you need to be doing. Like, I have a vision board, and y'all, it helps me so much just like seeing my goals. I'm looking at my vision board right now. This girl hustles so hard every single day. It has motivated me. Like, I'm not doing enough. And I'm so sick of the excuses, whatever excuses you might try to come up with, y'all. There's no excuse for why you're being lazy. You're being lazy. There's no excuse. Like, I don't care if you say you have 3 kids, bro. Like, you are still able to do things unless you like literally have no help and you have to work outside a job. Like, I understand your circumstances are not the easiest, but things are still possible. You just have to put in extra work, especially like if you are in a situation that's like not like everybody else's. It's a little tougher. You can still get anything done, y'all. Anything is possible. All you have to do is have that mindset, I can do it, and you will be able to do it. Like, I swear, it's literally psychology with yourself. You can all day tell yourself excuses, and you will believe those excuses because your body is like, yeah, that's right. I have a baby. I have an excuse of why I can't do this, or I'm trying to do this only. I'm trying to just focus on this one thing, so I'm not able to do that. No, you need to learn how to multitask. If you're not a multitasker, you need to learn how to do that. Y'all, after this video, you're gonna know exactly how to just become extremely unstoppable. Like, people are gonna look at you and be like, dang, this person is putting in that work. That's what I want. I want to be so unstoppable, continue to post, do my content, y'all. No, like, I don't care what anybody thinks. I don't care how much they think I'm posting too much. I don't care what they think about my post, whatever opinions they may have, y'all. I don't care. I'm sitting here for a reason. I'm posting these things for a reason, because I have goals. If anybody's caring about whatever you're posting or have something to say, y'all, first of all, let's just get on the part that, like, are they paying your bills? No. Are they paying your car note or whatever you might have? No, they're not paying your phone bill. They're not paying nothing, y'all. And, all they're doing is paying attention to what you're doing. That's all they're doing. They're not paying for nothing else. So, but yeah, y'all, that girl, she goes so hard for her business, y'all. And it's like, it's not easy to go beast mode and stay beast mode. Trust and believe. There's burnout. If you've ever heard of burnout before, y'all, burnout is like when you just keep going so hard, y'all. I have been there. I've literally been there before, where I was going live every single day for my business, y'all. I felt burnt out. Like, after like 6, 7, 8 months, y'all, it's a whole year of going live just straight every single day. You may have like a day off or something, y'all. It gets like, you feel burnt out, literally. And that's exactly what I'm going to tell you guys, like, how to avoid being burnt out. I've learned this is a learning process. Like, you don't just go into something and immediately know how everything works, y'all. I've lived the experiences, and I'm literally about to tell you guys how to avoid feeling burnt out, how to avoid it completely altogether. And if you end up feeling a little burnt out, how to combat it. I got you guys. And if you can combat burnout, nothing can stop you. Trust and believe. Burnout is your biggest enemy. If you can combat that, you're good. You are good, and you're ahead of the game. You guys, when I first started my business, I literally, like, the first few months, it's like I was getting an order here and there, here and there. All I was doing is really like posting on TikTok. I was just posting on TikTok, Posting on Instagram extremely occasionally, probably like a story or two, but guys, your stories, that's your followers. You're not reaching new people. Like, these are things I had to learn. I did not know. So I was literally just posting on TikTok here and there, y'all, and I'm talking like my business was it was really going nowhere. And of course that didn't discourage me, because I knew this was my passion. This is what I need to do. So I just have to think of new ways to grow my business. I'm like, bro, what do I do? Like, this is going nowhere. What I did was, y'all, I went beast mode. I was like, let me go beast mode, y'all. I was like, I can't just sit here in the same spot and just post my little TikTok. No. Y'all, I started posting 3 TikToks instead of just 1 a day. I started posting 4 TikToks instead of just 1 a day. I started going live. This is when I went live for the first time, y'all, and this is when I was going beast, y'all. I was not playing around. I literally, like, I'm talking the first live 1600, second live 1600, third live 1600, and y'all, it was not easy. Like, I literally had to like come up with strategies, games. I was thinking when I was off live, I was thinking like, what can I do? What can I play? How can I get people to buy? Like, strategies. Like, this is something that you're gonna have to do. You can't just sit here and expect orders to come. You have to put in work, like behind the scenes and on the scene. When you're on live, whatever you want to do, and this may not apply to a lot of people because you guys might be on here like trying to go beast mode on something else. So whatever your goals are, just know that like you have to put in a lot of work, y'all. It's not easy. You guys, let me also say, I did not have a huge following. I had like some followers on Instagram. I had 0 on TikTok, y'all. I literally grew that thing from 0. I had like no subscribers on YouTube, y'all. I started from like nothing, basically nothing. I hustled my way up, and I'm still down there. Like, I'm not even where I want to be. I'm a long way from where I want to be. My goals have not been accomplished yet. So, like, tiny goals here and there, but like, I am in beast mode as I'm speaking to you guys. This is my beast mode right now. Like, this is my second beast mode, and not feeling burnt out, because my first, y'all, I went beast mode and I did amazing, y'all. I hit my first 6 figures, $100,000 in less than a year. I want to say 7 months. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I just know that I did not expect that. This was right after I went beast mode, y'all. Like, it was quick. It was quick. It was quick. It was like nothing less than 1K a day. Like, literally, I remember this one day, it was like 3,000 something. It's just like, yo, I felt unstoppable at this point. I'm like, but of course, when you start becoming unstoppable, you guys, when you start posting a lot of stuff, trust me, the haters are going to come. They're going to try their best to bring you down. And that's a part of also what happened, like with me. I had haters on haters, y'all. But you know what they say, if they're not hating, you're not doing something right. So I had haters, y'all, like, oh my God. And I probably still have haters to this day. But with time, you're gonna learn to ignore them. You're gonna learn that they don't matter. They're not gonna stop you. Like, they can report your page. Y'all know how many times my live got banned? I didn't let it discourage me. I got right back on. Boom, banned again, banned again. Like, y'all, I had to reach out to TikTok to get my whole account back. My entire account got banned, y'all. I had to reach out, explain, I didn't do nothing wrong, but they reviewed my account. They're like, okay, here you go, here's back. But that stuff is gonna happen, and it's a test for you, y'all. Like, everything's not gonna just be sweet. While I have you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, go ahead and smash the bell notifications, and let's continue. And y'all, you know what sucks? Because like, the people that you grow up with, the people that you went to school with, the people that you used to laugh every single day, go outside, play with, or, you know, high school, y'all used to eat lunch together, y'all used to do this, y'all used to vibe, y'all used to hang out all the time. Why those people don't support, I have no idea. Like, when it comes to like friends or people that you've known, it's crazy how they literally will not support. And I'm not talking about sitting here buying my products. Girl, I don't need you to buy my products. What I want, especially if I'm just now starting out something, just try to like my post, bro. Comment like some heart eyes, comment like a whatever, just help boost my post a little bit. That is literally free. Repost it to your story. You'd be reposting Kim Kardashian, you'd be reposting all these celebrities stuff. For some odd reason, when me, your friend, someone you actually know, someone that actually knows you, when I'm trying to do something, I'm trying to succeed in life, you just can't, you don't want to see it. And y'all, like, I peep everything. I really do. So you want to go beast mode. You need to cut out all your unhealthy habits from this day forward. You and being on your phone, scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through TikTok, Pinterest, whatever you're scrolling through, it's over. Your days are over of that. Like literally no more scrolling. You're not a consumer. You are a creator. You are a content creator. You do not need to be consuming, okay? Unless it's the only acceptable reason for consuming content, because I consume content, it is just to do research. It is to get ideas, get inspiration for content that I can create. It's not to sit here and look at somebody and be like, oh my gosh, wow, my life sucks. Look at her. What is she doing? Wow, this is so nice. That type of stuff, y'all, is rotting your brain. It's nonsense. Don't be the consumer. There's plenty of people out here who will just always be a consumer, but there's also those people who can stop being a consumer and get up and start doing something with their life. More unhealthy habits. Cut the drugs. No more. Cut the alcohol. Whatever kind of little habits you have, going out, partying at night, constantly eating out, going with your friends, all these little unhealthy habits, like go chill with your friends here and there, but yo, you're trying to be successful. You have goals, right? Your friends might not have these same goals. Watch who you're surrounding yourself with, and y'all, it's literally thundering outside, so I don't know if you guys hear the thunder, but anyways, watch who you're surrounding yourself with, y'all. Do not be surrounding yourself with these people who just want to hang out 24/7, who are like, yo, you want to come chill, let's go to this restaurant, let's try this food. You have goals and they might not have those same goals, so you need to motivate yourself. Stay away from them if you can, y'all. Like seriously, make new friends. My friends now are like mostly like-minded people that are, you know, motivating, and they motivate me, I motivate them. I have this like huge group chat now for small business owners, y'all. If you want to join that group chat, y'all, it's lit, because listen, you know how like with reels, a lot of people don't be commenting, like engaging, stuff like that. So y'all, I have this like group chat full of people, and we like support each other's reels, and y'all, it really helps boost like that initial boost, y'all. It helps so much with engagement. Like it's amazing. I've never seen a group like this, never heard of it being done, but I made one and it's so amazing. If you guys want to join, comment down below, let me know. Put your Instagram down below or something like that, and I got you. But back to the unhealthy, cutting it. Cut the TV shows. No more binge watching. I know you guys want to watch, y'all, everybody keeps telling me to watch Bridgerton. I have yet to watch an episode of Bridgerton, because y'all, like, I have goals and I have so much to do. I used to play this game and it was crazy. No, not anymore, y'all. I shared like this really good productivity tip, like how to stay productive, and y'all should watch that video. Honestly, if you like struggle with that, that's also a good way to learn how to be unstoppable, y'all. You need to be productive, of course. Cut the unhealthy habits. No more keeping up with what celebrities have going on. Why the heck are you even on YouTube looking up, Zayn Malik and whatever the heck, like, oh, he has a new girl. I have no idea what's going on with him right now. I'm just like randomly saying celebrities or whatever, y'all. You don't need to be doing that. Like, I don't care who just got a new butt implant, who just got their nose done. Like, why the heck do you care? Don't you have goals? These people have already achieved their goals, and you're sitting here watching their life. You're being a consumer. You're being that person who's literally like, you suck. Like, let's just be real. And now let's talk about how to stay consistent with your goals. So this is what I do, y'all. I literally write on this big monthly board, every month. I write the month on there. I'd be like, July. Every single day of July needs to be planned. It can't just be random, spontaneous. No. This is an average habit. If you're just spontaneous and you're like, okay, let's see what I can do today. I guess I'll clean, or I guess I'll take some pictures. Like, no, it doesn't need to be spontaneous. When you plan ahead, y'all, literally you'll get so much more done that day. And it'll just change your life for the better. I promise you, you will reach your goals so much faster by planning out every single thing. You have your ultimate goal. You want to reach 100K on YouTube, right? Then you have these little things every single day that you do to reach that 100K. Every single day needs to be working towards your goals. So get yourself a big monthly board. You can probably even order one from like Amazon or something, like a paper monthly board or something like that. And literally, just write every single day out, y'all. Like, do it. Okay? And another tip is what I heard from Iman Godsi before, y'all. He said plan the night before. Plan your day the night before. Before you go to bed, sit down on your phone. And I do this now, and it really does help me a lot. To-do list. I write a to-do list specifically for tomorrow. Like, I'll know my overall thing that I have to do, like get b-roll, like for example, get b-roll for Instagram post or something like that. That's what I'm doing in the day, right? But then I'll also have a few other little things I have to do. Like, it's not just only get b-roll. I'll write my to-do list, but getting b-roll is the main thing of the day. So I'll write my little to-do list. I'm like, get b-roll, schedule dentist appointment, you know what I'm saying? Like, just a little to-do list so I can be on track and know exactly what I need to do, because everything can't fit on that little square on the monthly board. And now let's talk about how to combat burnout. How do you combat burnout, bro? Like, when you just feel, how do you even avoid burnout? So firstly, you need to be getting your proper sleep. You need to be making sure that you're not staying up all night scrolling through social media once again, or binge watching TV shows. That's why I said you need to cut these unhealthy habits, because it's going to affect your sleep. If you're not getting your proper sleep, eventually you will feel burnt out. You'll be like, bro, like I feel tired. I feel tired, and you don't need to be feeling like that. So you need to get your proper sleep. You need to make sure that you're not skipping your self-care. You need to make sure you're still washing your face, taking time to keep yourself together, take your showers. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not literally sitting here saying be disgusting and just work. Like, yeah, you're a beast, right? You're going beast mode, but you're not trying to be a stinky beast, okay? But anyways, let's continue, guys. Another good way to combat burnout is, y'all, like working out, going to the gym, exercising, feeling good. Like, that's why I said don't neglect your body because of your goals. Like, you still have to take care of yourself, because this will make you feel good. Like, switching things up, not always doing the exact same thing that you were doing like before. That's why I got burnt out from going live, y'all. I was literally going live every single day, and eventually I got to the point where I'm like, I hate live. I don't want to go live anymore. If I were to switch things up, go live, post this day, get b-roll this day I'm just only taking photos for posts, this day I'm cleaning the house, this day is pool day, you know what I'm saying? Just switching things up, not always doing the same thing. Take your little vacations. Sometimes you need a mental break. Y'all, when I was going live, I literally had people constantly harassing me. Oh my gosh, they used to be like, why aren't you on live? Under my comments, why aren't you on live? Get on. They'd be like, what are you doing? How come you're not on live? I haven't seen you on live in a week. Oh my gosh, like, I used to get on my nerves, like literally. Like, yo, I loved going live, but then it got to the point where I was like, no. That's why I was like, I need to find other ways to, you know what I'm saying, push this business and go beast mode in a different way. So it's really important to switch things up so that you don't get to that point where you're like, I hate doing this. You don't want to get to that point. And you guys, we have like 6 months left of 2024, and that's just like insane to say, because 6 months left, y'all. Like, I feel like this year literally just started, but we're almost at the end. 2025 is coming. Who do you want to be in 2025? Every single year you need to be elevating yourself somehow. You don't want to be the same person that you were last year. You don't want to be the same person you were in 2024, because 2024 you haven't even accomplished your goals yet. I haven't accomplished every single goal that I want to accomplish. So I am working so hard these last 6 months, y'all. I am in beast mode currently as I speak, like I said, and you need to also be in beast mode, y'all. This is not a joke. Your life is not a joke. If you know this is something that like is going to make you feel happy, you're going to be financially free, you want to really take advantage of the time that you have right now. You have 6 months left of the year. Spend these 6 months going your hardest. Like, seriously, go as hard as you possibly can, so that in 2025, bro, you already have a head start. You're like, you can breathe a little bit, and you just will not feel any regrets. You'll look back and you'll be like, bro, I went so hard the end of 2024. Like, what? And this can apply to any year. If you're watching this in 2025, 2026, whatever, y'all, because like this video is going to be up for years. So if you're watching this, literally just go as hard as you possibly can. And y'all, if you don't have kids, if you don't have any responsibilities, you're not in school, not in college, yo, you don't work, bro. You don't work. Are you serious? You have such an advantage right now. You have all the time in the world. Get up, stop being lazy, get out the bed, stop waking up so late, bro. Get up early. Like, wake up as early as you possibly can. Set an alarm clock. If you're one of those people who can sleep past alarms, then this might not work for you, but for those people who can wake up with an alarm, bro, set an alarm for 9 a.m. Like, you would get so much more done in the day by waking up early. If you wake up at like 1 p.m., your body already feels sluggish, you feel lethargic, you just feel like, ugh, this again, basically. Like, you're gonna be like, same junk, different day. You don't want that to be you. You don't want that to be your life. Y'all need to get up and go beast mode, seriously. And if you watched the video all the way through, shout out to you. You're a real one. Don't forget about the small business group if you guys want to join it. Oh, and I have a YouTube membership for anybody who wants to join, y'all. We got a membership. I have special videos only specifically for members. Like, I've even posted member videos through these videos. I haven't posted in a little minute, but I've been posting member videos. So if you guys want to join that membership, you guys will see me like behind the scenes, sharing things that I just don't share on this channel. And yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and y'all, please don't play around with your goals. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.